Mike Morgan.
Well, no doubt you've heard in the forecast, we do have some really cold weather coming. It's going to be coming in two big waves. There's also two waves of snow coming as well. And by the time the second wave of cold and snow arrives, it's going to be a lot like the North Pole out there. This is going to be a pretty high impact event. So tomorrow we can plan. A beautiful day coming up for tomorrow, Thursday. And there's our warm glow of our sunset tonight. And skies are mostly clear out there. We're 35 degrees. The winds are now completely calm. It'll be cold, calm, and frosty for your Thursday morning, but no precipitation tomorrow morning. Just frost on the windshield. A mix of upper 20s to middle 30s out there right now. Stillwater's 32, hit 67 today down along the Red River. But to our north, here's the Arctic cold front about to move into northern Nebraska. But I want to make a particular point about this Siberian cold front here. This air mass came over the North Pole the first week in January, and now it's residing in central Canada. And you can clearly see these temperatures right here, 38 degrees below zero, not including a wind chill factor up in central Canada. I drew the front purple, indicating it's the coldest of the cold air masses, and that front comes through Oklahoma City Saturday mid to late morning. So the first front comes through midnight tomorrow night. That's Arctic air, and then even colder weather arrives midday on Saturday, and that sticks around through Tuesday of next week. And a chance here of wind chill factors going down to about 20 below zero when that second colder front arrives. I'll show that to you here coming up. Skies are clear out there. They'll be clear in the morning. A lot of sunshine tomorrow for your Thursday. We'll start at 29 with frost on the windshield, but calm weather and clear skies. And perhaps 60 for a daytime high temperature tomorrow. Dallas up to 70, even along the Red River, very close to 70 for a daytime high. But here comes the Arctic front by late tomorrow afternoon, moving into the panhandle with a freezer door cold front where temperatures just drop like that, and the wind chill factors as well. And by the 10 o'clock news, it'll be between Woodward and Oklahoma City tomorrow evening, about to move into Oklahoma City at midnight tomorrow night. And that freezer door cold front here with this Arctic air comes plunging into Oklahoma on the heels of 35 and 45 mile per hour winds. So that wind chill factor is going to go down to about zero on Friday morning. Let's talk about the snow. So here's the front. There's this time tomorrow about Watonga. A few showers near the front, and then it comes through at about midnight tomorrow night. Here's the upper level disturbance. This is wave number 1 of snow, and the timeline for the metro is 3 a.m. early Friday morning till about 9 a.m. You see it right here, Friday morning. That's going to be sideways snow, almost a ground blizzard effect, a quarter to a half inch of snowfall. So it will be worse than it was on Tuesday morning, yesterday morning. It'll be just as windy, colder, and the snow will be heavier, and the snow totals will pick up as the storm moves from near the metro up toward the Tulsa metro area. So I would expect travel problems with this Thursday night into Friday morning, and pretty widespread at that. And a wind gust, again, 40, 45 miles an hour, very common. And the wind chill factor, as you see here, by midnight tomorrow night, already close to zero in northwest Oklahoma. And by Friday morning, about zero, maybe 2 below zero in Oklahoma City, and about 5 below zero in northern Oklahoma. And Friday afternoon, temperature might barely tap freezing, but then here comes that Siberian air, which is even colder. And these wind chill factors on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday will really bottom out. A fair chance of minus 20 here in central Oklahoma on that wind chill. And then that second bigger wave of snow comes on in. Here's the first wave. This is Thursday night into Friday morning. Again, a quarter inch, half inch for the metro, getting heavier near and east of Oklahoma City. I would expect travel problems anywhere in this zone for late tomorrow night into Friday morning. And then it looks like some pretty hefty snows come in on Sunday with some 3 to 5 inch snowfall totals, and the metro should get a pretty decent blanket of snow on Sunday with that bitter cold air in place. It's really going to be something. So make sure your propane tank's full, your gas in your car is all filled up tomorrow. Make these preparations because this is definitely coming. Upper 20s and lower 30s for tonight, 59 degrees for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine with a south-southwesterly wind, and 55 to 63 for metro highs on our Thursday. So really nice, and close to 70 tomorrow in southern Oklahoma, and low 50s in the northern part of our state. About 15 sunrise Friday, snow. Again, a quarter to a half inch with some 40, 45 mile per hour winds, and a wind chill factor near zero on Friday morning right here in Oklahoma City. So here are these 2 waves of cold air and 2 waves of snow as well. 29 to 59 for tomorrow. And then we'll head toward Friday, 15 to 33. Windy as well, but afternoon sunshine. Then 20 to 14 on Saturday. Wave number 2 of snow comes in on Sunday into Sunday night. Could get 2 to 3 inches of that here in the metro. And look at those high temperatures, single digits and lows below zero for some record lows out there, guys. Finally above freezing again by the end of next week, about Friday on that 7-day plus 4 this evening.
Yeah.